how to fix microphone not working in WhatsApp on iPhone. If you would like to fix microphone not working in WhatsApp on iPhone, it's actually quite very simple for us to do. So now this is only applicable if you're assuming your microphone is working for other apps and services, but it's only not working for the WhatsApp application. It could be because your WhatsApp app on iPhone is lacking the permission to access your microphone settings. So to enable that permission, open the settings application on your iPhone. Look for the WhatsApp app. Normally, if you're iOS 17 or below, you'll find it right over here. But if you update it to iOS 18 or later, go to the app section here and simply look under the app section for the section WhatsApp. And you just have to make sure that this particular microphone toggle is enabled, because if this is not enabled and it's disabled, WhatsApp on your iPhone will not be able to utilize your microphone. So make sure that this option is enabled. Hopefully after doing this, your microphone should be able to work as usual on iPhone. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.